I have this dummy battery here that was sent to me by the brand QUZOC to review, and here it is. So this is basically gonna be a dummy battery for your DSLR camera. So basically, instead of using the battery like a regular battery, you use this, and this powers your camera. And this you're gonna plug in to either directly to like a charger, or directly to a source that will provide enough power for this. Basically, you don't want to plug this into a laptop because a laptop will not provide enough power to power your camera. I know it works, with phones, but for DSLR cameras, they do require a little more power. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this into my camera and plug this in to a reliable power source. And I do have my camera here, my Canon T6i, and I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in and show you how it works. Okay, so as you can see here, I do have it plugged in to this block right here that I use for my phone, and I have it plugged in directly to that. And I have the camera here, and I just want to show you these cameras. These were made for that. So it has a little thing right here so you can close it, and basically it'll just give you unlimited power. It's not, because it's not charging is directly to the wall. I just turned it on, and you can see here. See, it works perfect. And you can see here on the battery, if you can, let me see if I can focus. Yeah, see, unlimited power. And you're good to go. And again, this is plugged in, and it's connected straight to the power source right there.